Say the 14th of February 2015. It's Valentine's Day, so I hope you got plenty of love mail through the letterbox today, and that you're all loved up. So anyway, I'm going to do this video about some key indices that I like to follow each week. So I'm going to go through the markets and see how they're doing. So come along and enjoy the ride. We're going to start with the French index, the CAC 40, the CAC 40, which is going up. So looks like it's making a new high. So looking good for the French index. Ditto Germany has gone up. I don't think it went any higher this week than it did last week, but overall it looks like it's on the up. So the MA20 has popped up above the MA50. You know, it's a new high either this week or last week or both. So looking good for Germany. The FTSE 100 has gone up a bit, but you know, it still seems to struggle to get through the 7,000 mark. So interestingly, you know, there's these three big highs over the years, back in end of 99, 2000, and then back in, I don't know, 2007 was it, and then more recently it's just struggled to go any further. So still not going any further actually. So it's up a bit, but not that much. So there does seem to be quite a ceiling on how far up the FTSE 100 wants to go. The FTSE 250, which I've been very unsuccessfully trying to short recently, has gone up and up. So the writing was on the wall, I guess, when it went up above the MA50 here. It popped down again. I think I shorted it here because this high was actually lower than this high, and as far as I was concerned, it was still in a bear market. But since then, since my short, it's gone up. So it was the kiss of death to the FTSE 250 going down was my shorting move. But this week has made a new high, so FTSE 250 looks like it's on the up. So made a new high, I think. So I think it's gone higher than the spring high of 2014. So an all-time high by the look of it for the FTSE 250. So good on the FTSE 250. FTSE 350 has gone up. I think that has made a new high. You know, its pattern is sort of similar to the FTSE 100. Obviously, you can see that there have been higher highs. This indeed is a higher high. So and it's gone higher than previous highs. So FTSE 350 at an all-time high, 3,763. So jolly good for FTSE 350. The Nasdaq, so this is the American tech stocks, has gone to an all-time high as well. So look at this. This is the graph for the last 10 years. Obviously quite a dip in 2008, but from 2009 it's just gone scooting up. So from about 1,000 to 4,300, and this week made an all-time high. Quite a big jump up. So that's very interesting. Lots of people, including myself, I think, have formed the opinion that American stocks are expensive. So you know, is it a good time to buy? Who knows? Well, you know, could have thought that back here, could have thought it back here. Everyone was thinking it, you know, back in the day, but since then it's just gone higher and higher. So there we go. The Aussie ASX 200 has gone up. So again, gone to a new recent high, not quite as high as back in 2008, but it's gone. So the past 3 weeks has been very good for the Australian markets. Gone shooting up from what, you know, 5,300 to 5,900. So big rises there for Australia. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, so these are the 30 largest you know, US stocks, have done well this week and last week. It hasn't quite gone past the high of a few weeks ago, but still doing very well. The Nikkei has done the same. It's risen up, but hasn't gone past the high of a few weeks ago. Bonds have fallen, presumably. You know, in line in a way with stocks going up, bonds have gone down. So the PIMCO bond fund has gone down. We'll skate over that. Gold has gone down. So again, if people are perhaps maybe more bullish about stocks, they're not so worried about holding gold, which of course doesn't pay any dividend. You know, if you own gold, you don't get a dividend for it. So you know, you could say it's kind of dead money. But we'll see. The TR Property Investment Trust, which I like to use to basically see how the UK and European property markets are doing. Has gone up a bit. An interesting candle there. Actually did quite a lot of movement during the week, but started and finished roughly similar, slightly up, not much change. The United States Oil Fund has not done much this week. Well, I'd say that's not at all true. It's done a lot. It's moved up and down a lot, but it hasn't closed very different to where it started. It's closed very slightly down. You can see where I've been buying. I bought here rather optimistically, thinking that it was all going to go up from there, which of course it didn't. And I've bought again here. Is oil going to go up more or not? Who knows? Who knows? The bond fund, Vanguard Total Bond Market, like the PIMCO fund's gone down. So, but is it a good time to buy? I mean, overall, you could argue that the bond market ETF here is on the up. It's a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, so might be a good time to buy that. I guess. I'm not sure what I'll do there. So, there we go. I think that's all the markets that I like to follow. So strong moves in equities around the globe, essentially. Bonds have fallen back a bit. Gold's fallen back a bit. Oil is still very low. Has it turned the corner and will all start to go up again? Some people think so. So there we go. Past performance is no indicator of future performance. So the fact that stocks have gone up this week doesn't mean they'll go up next week or next month. They might come down. Nobody knows, do they? This is the thing. So there we go. Things are looking good for stocks at the moment. But what their future is, time will tell. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make another video looking at my existing open positions and just see how they're doing. So catch that video if you can. Okay, I'll catch up with you next week. Bye.